The next stage of our modelling is to add our resin river, okay, or how we're going to split our work certainly into 3 pieces. If your design allows you, or you've designed something that has more than that, you will just need to add more of what we're about to do in exactly the same way. So we're going to add a new sketch to the top surface again of our block and press N to look at it in 2D. I'm going to use the spline tool for this. Now the spline tool allows you to, every time you click, to do bendy lines. When you've finished sketching, you press the escape key, which allows you then to finish the sketch. If you press the escape key again, it gives you your arrow, which allows you to grab any of the points on the line and move those points to change your spline. Okay? Or if you want to delete it, you click on it and press the delete key on your keyboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in to make my work a little bigger on the screen. I'm going to start my cut here for my resin. I'm going to click once there, I'm going to click again, let's say a little bit lower down here. I'm going to bend it up, I'm going to come up in this instance, and you can do whatever you want in terms of your design. So let's say that's what I want. I'm going to press escape, I'm going to press escape again. I'm going to look at my curve and think, am I happy? Okay, so I'm just going to ever so slightly manipulate my line a little more. I'm happy with what I've got there. So the next thing I want to do is I could try and do the opposite side. So I could do an opposite side if I wanted it to be different. Okay, now this is harder to do when you actually cut your work into separate pieces. However, it is possible. So I could do a separate path like that. But in this instance, I actually want mine to be parallel. Okay, this is the easier way to do this. So I'm going to go to the top up here and go to the menus at the top. I'm going to choose the offset tool. I'm going to pick my line and I want to offset my line. So I'm going to drag it out, and just so you can see, there's my line that's offset. So it's copying the line but offsetting it a distance. I'm going to hit the enter key, not the return key, enter, which changes and gives me my measurement, and I'm going to change that to be 10. That then gives me my 2 parallel lines, and I'm going to accept my sketch. I'm going to spin my sketch round into 3D.